So, in this short, I'm going to show you how to get the styled snail. Alright, so you're going to come over to the shooting range, and this is the order you have to hit these targets. So it goes rupee, banana, angry monkey, L coin, then big boy, then frozen guy, then crazy monkey, poop, W, and ice monkey. And once you hit them all in a row, then you get the cosmetic, and it's like a screen will pop up, and that's how you can get it. I'm not gonna attempt to get it. This took me a long time, and I'm kind of sick right now, so yeah. But that's how you get the style snow cosmetic. Bye.